up. This is Thale Noi bird watching park. It's located near Hat Yai. In the morning you can watch birds. Also have a walk by these bridges and make good photos. I wanna go and climb to the tower watch point. This is the entrance to the viewpoint. Entrance free. This is great. So here also you can rent a boat and have some ride inside this lake. This is how this place looks like. Very nice views. I think you can make good photos. Looking for some birds. Let's go climb up. So this is the top. Wow, amazing view. You see boats. So this is how Hat Yai streets looks like. Very peaceful. I'm going to check this church. Some arts. This Choltara small park. And here you will find the church. This small park very good. I think it's very nice to walk in the evening time. It's near. This is I think it's cool, yeah, near school. And of course it's near the river, but not so full river, you know, just small river. There are many old buildings and new buildings in the city. Street food. So here you can find many Malaysian tourists because it's very close to Malaysia. So if in Pattaya, for example, Thai people speak good English, here in Pattaya they speak very good Malaysian. This is small market. Near Regency Hotel I found this street. Looks amazing. Many money exchange places. This is Lee Garden Plaza Hotel. Very big. Oh my god. Street food. So many street food here. Very interesting city. This is Soy Prachat Hibat, very famous street. There is many food courts, massage shops and other activities.